Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today let's talk about Bitcoin and its secondary scare related price forecast using AI technique. I will be presenting three scenarios: the base case, the bull case, and bear case for Bitcoin in its secondary scare related time frame. So let's get started. By secondary scare, we mean that the lows that, for example, that were created in December 2018, if you see again March or April or March of 2020, those lows were kind of challenged. At a monthly average price level, you would see that although that we did not went as low as this prior low of 3700 at a monthly average price level. Uh, we at a daily level we came Bitcoin came really close to the 3000 mark. So let's use AI technique to forecast what could happen if that were to repeat in uh, the first low to be, instead of December 2018, in this time frame it would be December 2022. The second low that these bear market areas at a monthly average level, we'll try to forecast them using AI technique. As you can see, this color graphics color coded on from dark red and then to dark green based on the overvaluation and undervaluation phases of Bitcoin. This is created by calculating the Z score of the two market cycles, essentially one before uh, December 2018 and one after December 20, that is like January 2019 and onwards. So in the last bull market, I'll just briefly cover. Bitcoin had a monthly average price of 57,000 in April and 60,000 in November. The Z scores associated were 2 standard deviation away from mean and 2.4 standard deviation away from mean at that point. Ever since that, in December, the Z score turned briefly negative to about negative 2.6. And if you have been following other altcoins or any other cryptos out there, this Z score is much higher than most of the other Z score, other crypto related Z score, which are right now in negative zero point 0.7 to negative zero point 0.9 territory. Most of them, Bitcoin is showing relative strength compared to the other altcoins out there. And even in 2023, up until July, that we had the rally with a monthly average price of 30,000, the Z score was positive 0.54. So again, almost half a standard deviation to the upside compared to the average price for the time series of starting January 2019. So that has been bullish for Bitcoin in 2023. But now let's talk about the base case. Now that we are in the phase where the highs for the year are in, and then what happens after this. So we'll try to use AI technique to forecast the ongoing trend till Bitcoin halving, that is in April of 2024. So this is not financial advice, this is use of historical data and data science and AI technique. This forecast has been created by using ARIMA model and LSTM technique, which is a machine learning technique, and also standard deviation, Z-score related statistics for base case and bull case and bear case for BTC. So for the base case, per the AI model, the monthly average price forecast is at 26,100. And if you're checking, you can check the current price on the price tracking websites. It's around 26,500 right now that we are in the last week of September. In October, the AI model forecast the monthly average price to be again around $26,000, which is again almost 1,800 lower than what we closed or had an average price in August. So in November, the AI model has forecasted a monthly average price of much at a base case level of evaluation of around 24,000 US dollar. For December, it's at again a rally in December to about 26,000, almost where we are currently at a daily level. That is forecasted in December per the AI model. In January, the AI model forecasts a slight high of about 29,000. And in February, that is in 2024 February, it's at around 31,100. In March at 32,500. So the trajectory being crash till November, December time frame of 2023, then rally till March, and then again the month of halving, again a crash to about 26,600. So that's the base case. And I'll also briefly cover the bull case, because I would like to talk about what is a theoretical ceiling for future monthly price action. And again, this requires a slightly elevated price action due to favorable macroeconomic conditions, which we do not see right now. But it's always good to include this case, even though it's not the reality right now. It might be the reality for some, if not all of the months in the future till April 2024. So that's the theoretical ceiling. In September it's at 29k, November it's at 26, almost 27k. October it is at 29k again. So then November, December is at again 28k. uh, January 31k, February 33k 500, uh, March at 30, almost 35,000, and April at 29,000. So again, the trajectory is pretty much the same as the bull case. It's just one standard deviation to the upside, and multiplied with the relative z-score of a comparable time in the previous market cycle. So that's how these forecasts were created. The bull case, that is. The last case that I would like to spend some time is on the bear case, and that makes more sense to talk about, because we are in this similar phase that we were in the later half of the 2019 recovery year slash pre-halving year. So in that phase, let's not talk about September. In October, per the AI model, the for a full month of October, let's say if the bear case materializes, like some sort of a macro downturn or Bitcoin related negative news, or negative price action, in October timeframe, the monthly average forecast broadcasted by the AI model in the bear case is at 19,500. So which is still a higher valuation, slightly lower valuation than October, but definitely higher than November, December 2022 per the AI model. In October, November time frame, the forecast is at 16,228, which is a slightly lower low than at a monthly average price level than December 2022. In December, the forecast is at 17,608, and then that is slightly higher than again December. In January, the forecast is the lowest per the AI model 2024, is the lowest at $15,300, and in January that is 15,400. In February, the valuation is at 21,000, forecasted at 21,500. March is at almost 23,000, and in April, which is the month of the halving, is again at 15,900. So per the AI model, in the bear case, or uh, the phase of secondary scare, the lows forecasted by AI model are are to be materialized not in 2023 but sometime in early 2024. Uh, the first iteration being January 2024, and the second being April 2024, which is almost which is exactly the month of Bitcoin halving. So that's the bear case. I will summarize the base case again. Base case is till about November 2023, it's at 24,000. So almost the difference between the base case and the bear case is about 8 to 9 thousand dollars, and the trajectory is also substantially different. The bull case is at lows at around 26,800, and as I mentioned, the bear case is at first significant low around, for the market cycle low around in November time frame, of 2023 again, which gets taken out in January 2024, which again gets challenged in the month of halving, that is April 2024. So I hope you like this content, the AI based forecast that we make on this channel. If you do, please subscribe to our channel. Also, check out the altcoin related playlist, and Ethereum related playlist, and Bitcoin specific playlist that we have created on the channel. Those forecasts might help you form your own hypothesis relate using AI based approach. And also, do not forget to give this video a like, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.